Today we are going to a newly renovated library in Singapore. It is located in Choa Chu Kang. The library is nature themed, which means there's a lot of plants inside the library. Let's go and check it out. Today we are going to take the newly opened MRT. Lentor! Come on, let's get going. There's still a bit of walking to reach the Lentor MRT. We are finally here. Lentor MRT. It's the newest MRT near my house, and it's so quiet and peaceful. I already like it, even though it's my first time being here. So now we're here at Lentor. From Lentor, we need to go to Woodlands, and then at Woodlands we will change the train, and then we will go to Choa Chu Kang with the Woodlands train. So let's go. We're finally at the Choa Chu Kang library. I can't wait to go inside.
What you are searching, Sahasra?
I'm looking for a fiction book, mostly fairy tales. Hello. So I usually love these because in my school library there are many, but there are not as many as this, so it's kind of hard to choose. I'm definitely going to get this because skateboard is one of the gifts that I want for Deepavali. This is what I finalized, and then I'm gonna get some more books and then finalize everything once more and then sort out everything. So we're going up. There's also a level upstairs, so I'm just checking this out. You can see the books and everything. So now I'm going to borrow the books. You can just do by mobile, so I'm just going to scan the QR code here. You can borrow 16 books in total. So I borrowed 15, only one less. I couldn't find any book. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe. And hit on the bell icon for more updates.